So guys, all you have to do is just head over to search and type in taskbar settings. Click on it. If that does not work for you, then you could just right click on your taskbar and then click on taskbar settings from there. And now once you're on this, we're just going to scroll down and then you want to expand taskbar behaviors. Now for me, I have everything on the default, so you could just copy all these settings. I'm just going to go through all of them. So taskbar alignment is on center, although you can change this to the left if you want to, if you prefer that. Automatically hide the taskbar is off. Show badges on taskbar apps is on. Show flashing on taskbar apps is on. Show my taskbar on all displays, this is up to you. I'm using a virtual machine, so that's why it's grayed out. And then you want to tick share any window from my taskbar, select the far corner of the taskbar to show on the desktop, and then you want to untick show second system tray, and this also uses more power, so just untick this, and then combine taskbar buttons and hide labels on always. So yeah, these are all the default settings for the taskbar, and yeah, if you guys want to change anything you can, and that's it.